leit Mawkyrwat tang ba pi hang ne ga jaka ka internet ha ya kan ne ki anga maurang lang viewpoint kalenti ba leit Mawkyrwat ka jaka ka badan kan ne ga wari lang ta kan ne ga ba kiwan berbor na Shillong ki tourist na goti ki bawan pe je kan ne ga jaka pi gini ki tingsa ki batung hang ne nang ta pi ulum katai ka wei pat ka de ga ta katai stai ka de ga rang thong kane sosilang ka de ka fortrai bat satai ka don ka khndau jong ki laikur lai kan chia kam satai lai kan ja ksan mau bat kane ka de ka wa sati serum pi ka tai ka wa ka don ka ne ga jingking ka balashna na duki por menchua ka por bompat don surogrong kane ka jaka ka ima ha hangti harum ladon gajing accident jong weu musakri play jong balang Katolik ufadar Joseph kurba ula jan hap hang tu tang ba don bok don tu kimau la shulai de klempat don ba ya hang ne klempat don ba accident ba tu ti por hoj manta bala maha surok manta te ki jing accident ki don te han rei kan ne joka ka ba internet te kuble shibu ni fi viewer manta ngai ti no how Paralok Jong ba
here to relax, and you can see the scenery so beautiful. It is the evening now. It is quite cold, and I have to wear my jacket as well. So my dear friends, do you want to speak something?
Ngai kuble terpang yai brother Arvin, my good friend. Naga banta kajing aila jungi nga bangan yo man leit Mawkyrwat ajing sia nga klem plan mo Mawkyrwat wa school kum tu ngade mantia andre yo ya gin ya laikai te ban pengat dia ke japing pengat dia kadonut ka mensim na gijing kuslai ban gijing tension paro te lela menga Mawkyrwat ngi la leit pamshaung tu kulesibun ka banta ka bangi ong mo ka bai la safe ka bai la ai nga ga mes ka bai treat mo ga pareng te thank you so much bro Alvin for all the goodness and generosity that you have shown upon me particularly mentangi don hang ne ha mau ranglang viewpoint kemba creative bro kadan hang ne po joka southwest Khasil district ka badon ha ka area Mawkyrwat ka badai na ka sunong moronglang kinong penya je ne ka viewpoint hang shisha mentagas ngi we are just very lucky because ngi klamsium la even siu airporting ka bandrung shine hen rei menta ngi yo free klam don jing siu te ngi ai ngu yo blai ro nam ta kata we thank God for this free of course for nothing we can just enter easily and sit to enjoy this particular place te khuble shibuna ye bro Alvin sachisen but khuble shibuna pi paro ki viewer thank you.
Okay. He is a teacher. He is teaching in the St. Mary's School, and he is doing excellent work there. So try to support him as well. He is going to open new channel, right? So be with us, and thank you